Welcome back, everyone. Here in Jamaica, the summer holidays are just a few weeks away. So if you are a parent wondering about what you're going to do for summer school or summer camp, I have a few options here for you. Stay tuned. Okay, parents, our first set of options are for those children who are really interested in baking. So Delicious Occasions is based in Kingston. I tried contacting them to find out if this program was still available for summer 2021, but no answer. But I think it is a viable option for you to at least call. The second option is from Nestle. Nestle is right out there in Ferry, out of the main thoroughfare of Kingston, heading towards Spanish Town. So if you want to get out of the city of Kingston and give your children a chance to bake, you should consider calling them. I'm pointing in the wrong direction, sorry. You should consider calling them or sending them an email to find out if they're offering the summer program for 2021. Our next option is the Sanai Studios. It seems as if they have quite a bit of artistic and creative options for children and teenagers, so you should also check them out. And we have the large and fabulous Hope Zoo. Hope Zoo always have good programs, seasonal programs, birthday party packages, fun galore. But in the summer, they usually have this program here. So you can email them or call them. Here are the numbers right above my head. The next option is Aquaworks for swimming. Now, I've tried calling them, no answer, but the very fact that the website is saying Aquaworks Summer makes me feel as if everything is A-okay for this summer 2021. And finally, I also called the UWI Port Royal Marine Lab and Biodiversity Center. They have a Facebook page with a lot more information for you. So if you have a teen or a young adult in the family who is interested in things like these, give it a check. All right, so there are a few more ideas or options that will be in the next clip. I hope you will continue watching. Enjoy. So parents and guardians, we're going to jump right into the summer camp, summer school options for your child or your teenager. Now here in Jamaica, we have Irie Camp Jamaica, and I believe that it was founded by Americans of Jamaican heritage, but you can check it out right here on the website. I will list out all of the links for the different options right below in the description box. If you have any questions, I encourage you to do your due diligence, because many of these phone numbers, I didn't get a response or a call back. And so I decided, you know what, let me compile the information and then you can go ahead and find out what you need to do or what you're interested in. So Irie Camp Jamaica, they have a base in Montego Bay and then another one at St. Hilda's High School in St. Anne. I've been to that school before. It's a fabulous school, perfect site to explore that right off the beaten track. So you're on the North Coast, but not really on the North Coast because it's more inland. So you're pretty close, an hour or so away from the airport, the beach, all of that. Lots of fun for the children. Then we have another option here from the University of Technology in Jamaica. Now, this summer camp, I couldn't find any information about it, but you know, with COVID and other things that are happening, some of the information might not be getting through as efficiently as before. So this is another option for the more athletic-minded child or teenager. Next, we have Research Track Club, another athletics track and field driven sports club. Again, couldn't really find much information about them. They're a pretty famous club. I know that last year, 2020, it was canceled, but fingers crossed, something might be on board for 2021. Get in touch with this summer camp. Next, we have EduTech. EduTech, as they say on their website, they have exciting news, so we should stay tuned. So I'm encouraging you to visit this website and find out about their summer camps. As you can see, they cater to children between the ages of 3 and 16. and they have been around since 1994. So this, if your child's interests go in that direction, then you can always check them out, because we're all about learning here at Happy Faces Academy. So let me tell you a little secret. If you decide that you're just going to veg out on the couch, send the children to grandma, grandpa to enjoy themselves, relatives, whatever it is your decision. But these are just options that I think that you should consider. So after EduTech, now we have the swimming club, the Good Times Swimming Club. I couldn't find a website for them, but they have a Facebook page. Now it says here that it will be at the St. Hughes High School. Summer Splash 2021. So it looks like everything is on track to happen A-OK. So you should check that out. Then we have Halls of Learning with engineering, robotics, and coding, I believe. I have met one of the founders. As a matter of fact, I've worked with him before. I can vouch that this is a wonderful educational institution. You should consider sending your child to their summer school camp or their summer courses. And yes, they have online courses too. If you don't want to take the chance with in-person learning, face-to-face, you can consider the online courses too. And next, we have Moorlands Camp for the more outdoorsy child or teenager. And if you want that religious bent, Christian bent, then Moorlands Camp is also an option. When I was that age, primary school, almost every summer, I would go to a camp like this, and it was a lot of fun, and I still keep in touch with some of the friends that I made in those years. Animal Camp Jamaica. Animal Camp Jamaica, it is not affiliated with Hope Zoo, I believe, but Animal Camp Jamaica appears to be a lot of fun, and a benefit for them is that they cater not just for the little ones, but also for teenagers. So Animal Camp Jamaica, that's worth a look. Then we have the Edna Manley. I believe this one is the Edna Manley Camp, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, for the more creative children who like to dance, act, sing, all sorts of things. Every year, Kaleidoscope and other programs are held at the Edna Manley School of Visual Arts. You should check this out. They have a website. I will link it down below. And of course, there were others. For example, I believe I showed you EduTech already. Nestle Baking Camp, all sorts of different camps. But if your child is attending a school that is having a summer camp, you can just find out more information about that, or a school nearby within your general vicinity might be having a summer camp. Just ask. But the summer holidays are almost 2 months long. So you should really consider having some educational activities there. Yes, they need a break. Yes, they need time to relax and all of that. But this is just something for you guys to consider. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and you got something new from it. Give it a like, a thumbs up, comment below. Let me know what you learned, what you appreciated, what you would like to add or change about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.